Good morning, students. Today is 17th of April 2020. The rest of models are being explained. Yesterday I told you how to use can codeword. Now today is the time how to use can. It is mainly used to express ability. Understood, students? Can is generally used to express ability as he can lift this bag. वो उठा सकता है, क्षमता को प्रकट करने के लिए can का यूज होता है. Can is also used to give permission. You can play after finishing your homework. You can play. परमिशन देने के लिए भी can का यूज होता है. In the same way, could. Could is used as the past tense form of can in indirect speech. Indirect speech में can के past form के रूप में भी हम could का यूज करते हैं. वहां भी इसका मतलब एबिलिटी को शो करना होता है. तो we can say that could is used as the past tense form of can in indirect speech to show ability. As he could lift that bag when he was young. To make a polite request. Could is used to make a polite request. As could you show me the way to the post office? Once again I would like to revise could. It is used as the past tense form of can in indirect speech. The second rule, it is used to show ability as he could lift that bag when he was young. Third point, it is used to make a polite request as could you show me the way to the post office? Now G. May. May is used to express possibility, संभावना. As the price of gold may rise soon. बढ़ सकती है, एक संभावना है. May is also used with the first person to seek permission. Permission मांगने के लिए भी may का यूज होता है. As may we go out to play. Third rule of may. May is used with the second person you or third person he, she, they in exclamatory sentences to express hope. As may they live together happily. This is an exclamatory sentence. May here can be used in this way also. After may, might. Might is used as the past tense of form of may in indirect speech. Second rule, it is used to express a lesser possibility. Lesser possibility means कम संभावना, जिसकी संभावना बहुत कम हो, और remote possibility, दूर की संभावना, यानी ना के बराबर हो, वहां पर हम might का यूज करते हैं. As it might rain in the evening. Evening में, शाम को बारिश हो सकती है, तो we cannot predict evening. It might rain, कम संभावना है. That's why it might rain in the evening. After might, must. Must is used to show a strong sense of compulsion. जरूर, आवश्यक, करना ही है, इसके लिए must का यूज होता है. हिंदी में इसका अर्थ चाहिए होता है. As you must at home nowadays. आजकल आपको अपने घर पर ही ठहरना चाहिए. एक ऐसी सलाह के लिए मस्ट का यूज होता है जिसे आप टाल नहीं सकते. सेकंड रूल, विद बी. जब हम बी के साथ इसका प्रयोग करते हैं, विद बी इट शोज ए स्ट्रॉन्ग बिलीफ. एज शी मस्ट बी टैलेंटेड. विद हैव इट कन्वेज अ स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंस ऑफ नीड. एज he must have his medicine at noon sharp. Understood? Students, now it is the time to tell you the right use of ought. ought का हिंदी में अर्थ भी चाहिए होता है. It conveys a sense of obligation. Obligation के लिए इसका यूज होता है as one ought to respect one's parents. आपको अपने माता पिता की सेवा हर एक को करनी चाहिए, उनका आदर करना चाहिए. In the same way, now these three, dare, need and used, as a main verb. Dare, important verbs are they, because they are used as a main verb and as a modal verb. As a main verb, it means to challenge, as they dare to catch the snake. उन्होंने हिम्मत की. As a modal verb means helping verb के रूप में to convey a sense of threat, एक धमकी. हिम्मत, as we dare not run out and get into trouble. L, need. Need भी दो प्रकार से प्रयोग होता है. As a main verb, it means necessary to have, किसी चीज का आवश्यक रूप से होना. As she needs to bring some milk for the baby, उसको जरूरत होना. Here it has been used as full verb. As a modal verb, एक हेल्पिंग वर्ब के रूप में इट इज यूज्ड इन नेगेटिव सेंस टू कन्वे ए लैक ऑफ नेसेसिटी, आवश्यकता की जहां कमी हो. इसका यूज नेगेटिव और इंट्रोगेटिव दोनों में होता है. व्हेन इट इज यूज्ड इन नेगेटिव सेंटेंस टू कन्वे अ लैक ऑफ नेसेसिटी, यू नीड नॉट कम टू मी, इज टाइम टू हेल्प मी. और व्हेन इट इज यूज्ड इन इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस विद द फर्स्ट पर्सन टू कन्वे ए सेंस ऑफ ऑब्लिगेशन. Need we clear up the room after the party? In the same way, the last modal auxiliary, used. It is also used as a main verb and as a modal verb. As a main verb, past tense of use. It is used in the sentence as past tense of use. As I used a knife to cut the fruits. As a modal verb, it is used to express a past habit which is currently not being followed. ऐसी आदत जिसको हम पहले करते थे किंतु आज वो हमारी हैबिट में नहीं है. जैसे I used to love reading comics in my childhood. Understood, students? Now it is the time to do the sentences. Do these exercises in your practice copy. Note down all the sentences given. आप इसको पॉज कर लें. कॉपी आउट करें अपनी प्रैक्टिस कॉपी में एंड डू इट. द सॉल्व विल बी गिवन टू यू टुमारो. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, हैव अ नाइस डे.